Welcome to the VIOLA Decor Studio channel. Today we will create in mixed media techniques and make a stylish and modern painting. This is not a very complicated and multi-layered work. For the base, we take a canvas on a stretcher. I will take an old painting on canvas. If you have a new primed canvas, then you can skip this stage and proceed to the beginning of the decoration. If you also decided to redo something, like me, then you need to re-prime the surface with primer or white acrylic paint. Dry well and make sure that the old drawing is not visible. If necessary, then make several layers of paint. The main plot for me is a decoupage card on rice paper with an incredible wolf against the background of the moon. This wolf immediately captured my heart. There was something incredibly mysterious and a little lonely in it. So they asked me the theme of everything that follows, both patterns and colors. The card must be cut off, both an unnecessary element of the plot and just the edge of the card. This is necessary so that the decoupage card merges with the surface as much as possible. I also took a cool owl from another decoupage card. Glue all the elements using decoupage glue. Apply glue to the surface. Attach a paper element in the right place and smooth it with a brush with glue. Here I made a mistake. I forgot that when working with decoupage glue, you need to cover the entire surface with glue, even if there is no decoupage card or napkin there. Because if there is no glue on the surface, it will remain more porous and the paint will become darker there. So don't forget to cover the entire surface of the canvas with decoupage glue. Mixed media is full-fledged creativity in real time. You take something as a basis and then supplement this plot with patterns, stencils, textures, and colors. In addition to decoupage cards, I used various stencils that complemented the drawing of the card. I applied patterns through the stencils with white textured paste or finishing plaster. I used stencils with the texture of wood and pebbles in order to create the effect of the ground and frame the picture. I also added small tree branches with leaves, arranging them like trees. Add such textured elements at the intersections of paper elements, as if hiding their edges. There were birch trees on the side edges of the decoupage card, and I tore the plot of the card just through them. Therefore, I applied textured paste with a palette knife, as if making a tree trunk. You can also add such rough strokes with a palette knife with paste, especially on the edges of the decoupage card. The paste will add texture and expression. It is very good to dry the paste until it is completely dry. Since it will need to be painted later, and if it is still wet, it will easily be washed off with water and paint. Next, this texture needs to be tinted into the background colors of the decoupage cards. In my case, these are gray, beige, brown colors. And since I have purple and blue colors in the plot, I added a little dark blue and purple. For tinting, use paint very diluted with water so that this colored water flows into the depth of the texture relief. Make the edges of the picture a little darker. This will deepen the plot of the picture and make it more spectacular. Do not forget to also tint the ends of the picture. Here you can see exactly where there is no decoupage glue on the surface. There the surface remained more porous and the paint appeared darker. I had to lighten and correct this later. Now you can use the new YouTube feature, Automatic Audio Track in your native language. Click on the Settings gear and select Soundtrack, and there choose your language. Dry this liquid paint carefully. Since it is very liquid, the hairdryer will blow it away and leave streaks. Therefore, dry it either at low speed or from a distance, and blow the hairdryer from other sides all the time so that the liquid paint remains in the right place. Where I made the tree trunks, I had to tint the edges of the trunks with black and add a line, like on birch trees. Now, using a stencil with thin branches, I added a pattern of trees. At first I did it just with paint, and then I applied a second layer using colored volumetric gel. This gave the effect of a small forest. Also, using black acrylic paint through the stencil, I added patterns of spots and a spiderweb effect in the corners. With light brush movements, walk white paint along the protruding surface of the texture to emphasize its volume. Here, I had to correct the paint stains in places where I did not cover the surface with decoupage glue. I decided to glue a few background pieces of decoupage card and tint them light to unify the entire background. I left a light halo of mystery around the owl. Now I added more trees with colored gel, created additional volume, and did it in different colors than I did with paint. Mine is light gray-green, dark purple, and light brown. If you have gels of a different original color, like mine, then you can tint them to the desired color with regular acrylic paint. The paint should be no more than 30% in the volume of the gel. Let each layer of the volume gel dry so as not to damage it when applying the next layer. Now you can support the channel and become a sponsor. In the subscriptions, there are options with additional video tutorials and training from me. I will be happy to create together with you. Details in the description of the video. Please share this video with your friends so that more people can create with us. And I also added a small splash of white acrylic paint. This added to the mystery of the forest. The painting must be dried well naturally, since textured pastes and gels require long-term drying. This is a minimum of a day. How do you like the result? I am delighted. The painting turned out incredibly stylish, mysterious, and beautiful. Would you hang one in your home? Write your impression in the comments. I kept it for my apartment. If you liked it, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's create together. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. With love, Anna VIOLA Decor.